Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Squad Chats. I'm Maria.
And I'm Jake. Happy to see you again.
So Jake, I have a very important question for you.
Okay, what is it?
Coffee or tea?
Oh, that's easy. Coffee. Definitely coffee.
Me too. I can't start my day without coffee.
Same here. Actually, I'm drinking coffee right now.
Of course you are. So today, we're going to talk about something that millions of people do every single day.
Ordering coffee.
Exactly. And we're also going to talk about morning routines.
Because ordering coffee is usually part of your morning routine, right?
Right. So if you've ever felt nervous ordering at a coffee shop in English, this video is for you.
We're going to practice the whole conversation from walking in to getting your drink.
And we'll also talk about how to describe your morning routine in English.
By the end of this video, you'll feel confident ordering coffee anywhere.
So grab your coffee or tea and let's get started.
When did you last go to a coffee shop, Maria?
Oh, actually this morning. I went to my favorite cafe before coming here.
What did you order?
A cappuccino with oat milk. It was so good.
Nice. I'm more of a simple black coffee person.
Really? No sugar, no milk.
Nope, just black, strong and simple.
Wow, okay, you're hardcore.
All right, so let's start with the morning routine. Maria, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. What about you?
I'm an early bird. I wake up at 6 a.m., sometimes even 5:30.
Wow, that's early. I don't know how you do it.
I just love mornings. The house is quiet and I can think clearly.
That makes sense. So what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The very first thing, I turn off my alarm.
Obviously.
Then I stretch a little bit in bed just to wake up my body.
Oh, that's smart. I should do that.
Yeah, it helps. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face.
Same, that's my routine too. Brush teeth, wash face, and then I check my phone.
I try not to check my phone right away. It's too tempting to get distracted.
That's good discipline. I need to learn that.
But then after that, I need coffee.
Yes, coffee is essential.
So let's talk about going to a coffee shop. Imagine you wake up, you get ready, and then you decide to go to your local cafe.
Perfect scenario. So you walk into the coffee shop. What's the first thing that happens?
Usually there's a line. You have to wait your turn.
Right, and while you're waiting, you look at the menu on the wall.
The menu shows all the drinks they have, like espresso, latte, cappuccino, Americano.
Sometimes the names are confusing if you're not familiar with coffee drinks.
That's true. So let's explain a few common ones.
Great idea. So an espresso is a small, strong shot of coffee.
Very concentrated. Just a tiny cup, but very powerful.
A latte is espresso with a lot of steamed milk. It's creamy and smooth.
A cappuccino is similar, but it has more foam on top. It's espresso, steamed milk, and foam.
An Americano is espresso with hot water added. It's like regular coffee, but made with espresso.
And a macchiato is espresso with just a tiny bit of milk or foam.
There's also mocha, which is like a latte, but with chocolate.
Delicious. And flat white is similar to a latte, but with less milk and more coffee flavor.
Okay, so now you know the basic drinks. You're in line, it's almost your turn. What do you do?
You should decide what you want before it's your turn. Don't wait until you're at the counter.
Yes, that's good etiquette. Figure out your order while you're waiting.
And think about the size. Most places have small, medium, and large.
Or they use fancy names like tall, grande, and venti.
Yeah, Starbucks likes to be different.
So it's your turn. You walk up to the counter. The barista, that's the person who makes coffee, says,
"Hi, what can I get for you today?"
Or they might say, "Good morning, what would you like?"
Very friendly and casual. So how do you order?
You start with the size, then the drink. Like, "Can I have a medium latte, please?"
Or, "I'll have a large cappuccino, please."
Both are perfect. "Can I have" and "I'll have" are the most common ways to order.
Then the barista might ask you questions about how you want it.
Right. They might ask, "What kind of milk would you like?"
The options are usually whole milk, skim milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk.
So many options now.
I know, when I was a kid, it was just regular milk or no milk.
Times have changed. So you tell them your milk preference, like oat milk, please.
They might also ask, would you like any sweetener?
Sweetener means sugar or artificial sugar like Splenda or stevia.
You can say yes, 2 sugars please, or no sugar, thank you.
Or if you want a flavored syrup, you can ask for that, like vanilla, caramel, hazelnut.
Can add a shot of vanilla syrup.
Perfect. Okay, let's do a full practice. Jake, you be the customer.
All right. Hi, can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure, what kind of milk would you like?
Whole milk, please.
Would you like any sweetener or flavoring?
No, just the cappuccino is fine. Thank you.
Great. Anything else? Maybe a pastry or a muffin?
Oh, good point. They often ask if you want food, too.
Yeah, coffee shops usually have pastries, bagels, muffins, croissants.
If you want something, you can say, yes, I'll have a blueberry muffin as well.
If you don't want anything, just say, no, that's all, thank you.
So, the barista continues.
Perfect. That'll be $5.75 for here or to go.
For here or to go means, are you staying in the cafe to drink it or taking it with you?
If you're staying, you say, for here, please.
If you're leaving, you say, to go, please.
In some places, they also say dine in or takeaway.
Right. So you tell them and then you pay.
You can pay with cash or a card. Most places accept both.
After you pay, they usually say, can I get a name for the order?
That's so they can call your name when your drink is ready.
You just say your first name, Maria.
And they write it on the cup. Sometimes they spell it wrong.
Oh yeah, I've gotten some creative spellings of Jake.
Like what?
Jace, Jake, once even joke.
Joke, that's hilarious.
I know, but it's fine as long as I get my coffee.
So after you give your name, the barista says, great, we'll call you when it's ready. Or your drink will be ready at the end of the counter.
Then you step aside and wait. Usually there's a waiting area.
And after a few minutes, they call your name. Jake, medium cappuccino.
You go pick it up and say thank you.
And then you either sit down in the cafe or leave.
Easy. See, it's not scary at all.
Not at all. And you know what? If you make a mistake or don't understand something, it's totally okay to ask.
Yes, you can say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Or could you explain the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Baristas are usually very friendly and patient. They want to help you.
Absolutely. Okay, now let's talk more about morning routines.
Good idea. So, Maria, after you get your coffee, what do you do? Well, if I'm at home, I sit down and drink my coffee while I check my emails or read the news.
Nice, relaxing morning.
Yeah, I need that quiet time. What about you?
I usually drink my coffee while I make breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
It depends. Sometimes just toast with butter, sometimes eggs and toast. If I have more time, maybe pancakes or an omelet.
Yum! I usually have yogurt with granola and fruit.
That's healthy.
I try. So after breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower, get dressed, and get ready for work.
Do you have a specific routine for getting dressed?
Not really. I just pick something comfortable, usually jeans and a t-shirt or a button-up shirt.
I take forever to decide what to wear.
Really?
Yeah, I try on like 3 different outfits before I choose one.
That sounds stressful.
It is. I need to simplify my life.
Maybe just pick your outfit the night before?
That's actually a great idea. I should do that.
It saves so much time in the morning.
Okay, so you're dressed and ready. What time do you usually leave the house?
Around 7:30. My work starts at 8:30 and my commute is about 30 minutes.
How do you get to work?
I drive. What about you?
I take the subway. It's faster than driving in the city.
That makes sense. Do you listen to anything on your commute?
Yeah, usually a podcast or music. Sometimes I practice English by listening to English podcasts.
Hey, that's a great way to learn.
Right? It's like studying without feeling like studying.
I listen to audiobooks on my drive. Same idea.
So by the time you get to work, you've already had a pretty full morning.
Exactly. Wake up, coffee, breakfast, shower, commute, and then the workday starts.
The morning routine is so important. It sets the tone for the whole day.
I totally agree. If I have a good morning, I usually have a good day.
Same. That's why I don't rush. I give myself enough time.
That's smart. Rushing in the morning is the worst.
Okay, Jake, quick question. If you could only drink one type of coffee for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Probably just regular black coffee, simple and classic.
Really? Not even a latte or cappuccino?
Nope, I love the pure coffee taste. What about you?
I'd choose cappuccino. I love the foam.
Fair enough. Okay, let's do a quick review of ordering phrases.
Great idea. So when you're ordering, you can say,
Can I have a medium latte, please?
or I'll have a large cappuccino, please.
When they ask about milk, almond milk, please.
When they ask about sweetener, 2 sugars, please, or no sugar, thank you.
And if you want to add something, can I add a shot of vanilla?
When they ask for here or to go, please, or for here, please.
And don't forget to give your name.
Right. And always say please and thank you. Politeness is important.
Absolutely. Being polite makes the whole experience better for everyone.
So true. All right, everyone. We hope this helps you feel more confident ordering coffee.
And remember, your morning routine is important. Take your time and enjoy it.
Don't rush. Give yourself space to wake up properly.
Have a good breakfast, drink your coffee or tea, and start the day right.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Speak Squad Chats for more real English conversations.
We have so many more topics coming.
Next time, maybe we'll talk about ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh, we already did that one.
Oh, right. Okay, how about going to the gym?
Ooh, good one. Fitness vocabulary.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching.
Enjoy your coffee, enjoy your morning, and keep practicing your English.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.